Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What have we got for you today? Well, today it's all about sketching and making sure you have your kit available so that you can sketch wherever you are. That's the key thing to sketching, making it easy, having these things with you at all times. So let me show you what I carry with me wherever I go. I have this handy pouch, which I think is a tool pouch, but I've used it for sketchbooking because it's the right size for putting a sketchbook in. In this pouch, I also carry colour pens, Tombow pens. I carry fine liners, all the fine liners, all the sizes. I carry brushes with water added. I carry blenders. I carry a spray of water. I carry biros. I carry this gorgeous little palette full of gouache paint. I carry all the things and putty rubbers, everything you can think of. What do I actually use though? That's a different question. When I'm out sketching, I want to do something quickly. I use my mechanical pencil. I use my 4-colour biro. I use maximum of 2 fine liners, a 02 and a 05. A mono eraser and a white biro for in case I want to highlight something on a tinted paper. That's it, guys. That's all you need. You can fit those in a handbag. So think about taking your sketching equipment everywhere with you, but don't have to take everything. Just take what's necessary because you can finish everything else back at home. And the important thing is to get out and sketch. If you start having to carry a case that's the size of a carry-on luggage on an aeroplane, you ain't going to do anything. There's too much choice. Limit your choices, you're more likely to sketch. Right, that's it for this week. Do subscribe, do follow, do all the things, and come and see me on a retreat sometimes or in the Smart Art Academy. See you soon. Bye.